Tell us about Shockwave Therapy.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I think let me take that back.
That's
Sorry.
fine. Let me ask you again. Let's ask you again. Tell us a little bit more about Shockwave Therapy.
Shockwave therapy is essentially acoustic sound waves, or what we call mechanotransduction. We send in sound waves that agitate the tissue, wake up the body from whether it's acute or chronic conditions, and sending out signals to increase blood flow and heal the area. So at Align Foot and Ankle, I like to actually do what I call a regenerative stack. I stack the shockwave. What we have is called SoftWave, and it's we pair it with laser therapy to give you the maximum combination of results for healing the area.
And it's basically just kind of rubbing a device over where the pain is or where the injury is, and that sort of thing, and shockwave it, and it kind of like a massage under the skin for the joints or whatever pain you're dealing with.
Yes. So shockwave therapy we're sending in signals, sound waves that wake the body up and increase circulation to the area. It increases migration of cells and increases cellular communication between your body and its tissue to try to heal the area of pathology.
Basically just kind of redirecting your body to heal itself.
Whether it's tendonitis, plantar fasciitis, arthritis, any kind of, and even fractures. So at our clinic, we have a machine called the SoftWave, and it's probably the most advanced shockwave therapy. It's very much like lithotripsy. You know how they blast kidney stones and gallstones, but on a much lower power level. But that's essentially what we're doing, is we are getting the body to heal itself. And we pair that with laser therapy and regenerative biologics to really optimize your healing potential.
That is great. Tell us a little bit. I mean, a lot of folks have lost a lot of weight over this past year using GLP-1s and things like that. And a lot of people don't think about the padding on your feet. And as we get older, we start to lose some of that padding, don't we, over time?
100%. The areas that we lose fat is our face, our hands, and our feet. And then when we lose more weight in general, not just age-related, those are also the areas that you see the fat loss. So now, and I think in general, not just the public, but doctors in general, underdiagnose fat pad atrophy. When you have foot pain, could it be related to loss of padding in your foot? And so at Align Foot and Ankle, we have a way to restore that now, where we actually inject fat into these areas and restore your natural cushioning, and it lasts for years.
I bet you deal with folks that have, had a career where they're on their feet all day long, and now you're able to help them stand again in some cases. Wow, that's amazing.
Right. Whether it's people who stand on their feet all day, women who have worn high heels all their life, or even flats all their life, and then people who are dancers and athletes who just put a lot of stress in certain areas of their foot that don't realize that the pain is possibly from that bone just hitting the ground because the padding isn't there to support it.
Sometimes we do injections to get rid of wrinkles and things like that. Is it similar to that?
It's almost the exact same thing.
Right.
But the products that are used on our face doesn't work on our feet. It doesn't last long enough. It doesn't provide that cushioning. So now we have a product called Liposana, and it is natural fat. We are just injecting natural fat into your body to restore padding to that area. And the best part about it is it's not an unnatural filler. It's not going to cause discomfort. It's going to allow for almost immediate comfort.
Is it a one-time treatment?
Usually it lasts for years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's
I've actually seen patients heal wounds, or they have painful calluses that they keep scraping it. It comes back. It doesn't go away. Now there's a solution for all of that, whether it's corns, calluses, or any kind of bony prominence that is hitting the ground. We can actually restore the cushioning to the foot now.
That's great. Align Foot and Ankle, online at alignfootclinic.com. Thank you so much.
Thank you.